Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by rinsing 2 cups sushi rice under cold water until the water runs clear to remove excess starch. This helps the rice stick properly. Combine the rinsed rice with 2 cups water, bring to a boil, then simmer covered for 15 minutes and let rest 10 minutes. While rice rests, mix 3 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt until dissolved. Fold this seasoning gently into the hot rice, then spread the rice thinly to about 1/2 inch and cool to body temperature before rolling. Position a half sheet of nori shiny side down on an 8-inch bamboo mat wrapped in plastic to prevent sticking. With wet hands, spread about 3/4 cup sushi rice evenly over the nori to a 1/4 inch thickness, leaving a 1-inch border at the top edge so the roll seals. Lay fillings in a line, about 4 ounces sliced fish, 1/4 avocado sliced, and 3 thin cucumber sticks. Use the mat to press and roll the nori over the fillings. Tuck and tighten, then pull the mat and finish rolling to seal the seam securely. To slice, dip a very sharp knife in water, wipe it dry, then cut the roll in half. Repeat halving until you have 8 equal pieces, rewetting and wiping the blade between cuts for clean edges. Plate the sushi with about 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon wasabi, and 1 tablespoon pickled ginger per person for balanced flavor. For safety, keep raw fish refrigerated at 40 degrees F or below, use sushi-grade fish when possible, and consume prepared sushi within 24 hours. Store unused rice separately to prevent sogginess and bacterial growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.